I'm going to show you what do you need to have to set up your Google Passkey properly, and then I'm going to show you how you can actually set up your Google Passkey in your mobile device. Let's go to see in the official support page of Google what we need, and let's after implement it. What do I need to create a passkey? To create a passkey, you need one of these: a laptop or desktop that runs at least Windows 10, Mac OS Ventura, and goes on. A phone that runs at least iOS 16 or Android 9. A hardware security key that supports the FIDO2 protocol. Now, you need one of these. You don't need all those three. If you have just one, you can set up your Google Passkey. In this video, we will demonstrate how to set up our Google Passkey in a phone, because most people are using anyways their mobile devices and the Gmail app to log into their Gmail and different applications. A tip here that is not in our interest, because we are not going to create the passkey with a physical device. Here are also the browsers that support passkeys, and we also need screen lock and Bluetooth from our phone. I'm going to show you live in my own Samsung how you can enable both and choose also the type of verification you want. Now, for those users that are using an Apple device, you must go here and do some extra things that are necessary to set up your Google Passkey. I will leave a link down in the description to this Google support page, so you can click here in case you have an Apple device and set up also the iCloud keychain. Let's go now in my mobile device and do the necessary steps. First, you need to click on your search bar and type settings. Click on settings. Go where it shows lock screen, and from the top option that you see right here, you can choose the type of verification you want to set up for your Google Passkey. I use PIN, but if I want to use a business email, I'm going to use the fingerprint. Fingerprint is much more safe than just using a PIN. But for this demonstration, we are going to use a PIN. If I want to change it, I must enter the PIN of my mobile device, so I can shift it to face recognition or the fingerprint. Suppose now that you have already chosen the type of verification you want for your own passkey, the next step is to go to Play Store and also download this application that is called Google Lens. So type in the search bar of the Play Store Google Lens and install this application. We will need this application so you can scan QR codes in case you want to use your passkey to log in from another device. We are going to use the Google Lens application because later in this video I am going to show you how you can log in your Gmail account from another device that you have not created a passkey. You can use this application in case you want to log in your Gmail or Google account from any other device you generally want. You may are traveling somewhere and you want to use it from another computer, from another person's device, and goes on. This is the way that you are going to log in safely from that device. And I will also leave you later on this video in a tip what you must not do once you scan the QR code. But let's discuss this later. The last thing you need to do to set up your passkey in your mobile device is to go back on settings, click on connections, and make sure your Bluetooth is on. Back in my mobile device, I'm going to add a new Google account. Now, if you add a new Google account, maybe the passkey is automatically generated for that device. I will show you if that's the case or not. If that is not the case, you are going to add your own passkey. Let's click on the Gmail app and add a new account. I guess you know how to add a new account in your mobile device. If not, please check out my other video how to add a new Gmail or Google account in my device. Here I am in the Gmail account I have added to my mobile device in the Gmail app, and I'm going to click top on the right the icon. You need to click manage your Google account. After that, scroll and click on security. Scroll down and you will see a section where it shows passkeys and security keys. Click on it. My passkey has already been generated automatically when I added in the device the new Google account. So I need now to add my screen lock PIN to log in to this Gmail account for the section of passkeys. You can normally log in to the Google and Gmail accounts you have added to your mobile device in the Gmail app. However, if you want to make a change in some security settings, then you will need again to use the passkey. My passkey was automatically generated, and now Google asks me to enter my screen lock PIN so I can access those security settings, the passkey in the specific situation. I am going to click use screen lock. Of course, if the passkey wasn't automatically generated for your Google account, then you won't need to proceed to this step. You may need just to add the password that you normally added to add this new Google account in the Gmail app. Here on the top, I can see start using passkeys. With passkeys, you can now use your fingerprint, face or screen lock to verify it's really you. But if I scroll down, I have already some passkeys, you see? I have already a passkey for this device. I just added this new Google account. So I don't need to create a passkey. If your passkey was not automatically generated, you could click use passkeys and create a passkey. So you could create a passkey like the one I have manually and choose the type of verification we have chosen just previously for our phone: fingerprint, face recognition or the screen lock PIN. And for those of you looking for the maximum security of your Gmail account against phishing and hacking, then make sure to click the link down in the description of this video and watch also my other free step-by-step tutorial about not only how to create your own passkey, but also some other tips and tricks about Gmail security that you can really hard find anywhere else.